Alright guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Azim with Investify Crypto Hub. We're really excited that you're joining us today. And what I want to discuss in this is not the basics of what cryptocurrencies is. I'm sure you know what it is. It's really a currency where there's a peer-to-peer transaction happening with no middle person allowed, no middleman. So instead of you dealing with the bank, you're dealing with another individual. And what that does is it empowers both of you with not having to deal with fees or regulations, just a pure transaction that's done safely through cryptography and through an open ledger, which is the blockchain technology. So today what I want to get is right into it as to what are the companies, how they're doing, what they've done. And let's take a look at coinmarketcap.com. And this will show you, this will just give you an idea of what's going in this market. So the big one is Bitcoin that everyone, or majority of the people know about. It's worth $134 billion. And as you can see here, that its price is 8,053 per Bitcoin. Now, this is where it gets really interesting, right? If you click on Bitcoin, you're taken to this page where you can get all this information. You can buy instantly Bitcoin with a card and whatnot. And you look at you look at the charts, and you see this growth. This is since July of 2013 when it was like $135, right? So it's gone up significantly, over 50 times your return. So even $100 investment in July 2013 would have given you over $5,000 by now. That's ridiculous. And our belief is that in the future, Bitcoin will easily be worth over $100,000. So there is plenty of room to grow. And Bitcoin is just one of the cryptocurrencies, right? One of the other exciting ones is Ethereum. And Ethereum has been just on a tear lately. As you can see, that over here, when it first began, in 2015, all right, you could get it for 75 cents. Today it's at $400. So you could have made over 400 times your return if you had invested $1,000. Then again, no one knew which one would go up. And that's where the Investify Crypto Hub comes into play. We are researching day in and day out which companies are being listed on the major exchanges. We're looking at their team. We're looking at their understanding of technology. We are looking at how innovative they're going to be. And then on basis of that, we tell you when we are investing in that. So you learn when to do that. So I guess that's just the start. You're like, okay, that's cool, awesome, but I want to get started with investing right now, like now. So we'll just come to Coinbase, and here you go. This is it. This is a digital currency. Coinbase is very popular. You can buy and sell Bitcoin. You can use a US account to launch. The other famous one that I use is Bittrex. It's another exchange. And that's the other one. So people can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase and then send it to their Bittrex account based on a hash that they're given, and they can start trading all these other unique cryptocurrencies. Now, how do you want to safeguard this? Is you go to Amazon.com and you look up something called a nano ledger. What this does is, if you don't want to put your cryptocurrencies on the exchange, you can always just go ahead and buy a nano ledger. You can get these for $73 right now, and they're very popular, and a lot of people are using them. It's cold storage, right? So you are saving all your cryptocurrencies with yourself instead of online and hoping that an exchange, because exchanges have risk with them. Even though Coinbase is FDIC insured, it still has risks with it. The other popular one is, it's called Trezor. Okay, it's a Bitcoin wallet, and as you can see, it's right here. It's slightly more expensive, but they both, Nano Ledger and Trezor, are probably the ideal um, way to have a Bitcoin wallet, which is also a cold storage or which is offline. So you are holding these physically instead of letting them be online and get hacked. And that's it, guys. It's that simple to get started. You can start an account with either Bittrex directly, or you can go with Coinbase and then transfer money to Bittrex. Those are a couple of ways, and that's what we do. After that, it gets really exciting because we start to look at which companies have potential to start making money in the next 6 months, 12 months, how to double your investments, just like I did with Bitcoin. All right, I hope if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and look for our next video. Take care.